Okay. Dah. Okay, today we will continue with the second part of the interpolation, Newton divided difference. Okay, so some time. We start with this Newton divided difference. Okay, so this one, if let's say, consider that we has a set of data point. Consider that we have a set data point. Let's say lah. Oh, so sama dengan Lagrange interpolations. Let's say data point n is n plus 1, sorry. N plus 1 is equal to data points. So that means if let's say we have 4 data points, that means n is 3. If we have 5 data points, n is 4. Okay, so let's consider we have a data point, a set of data point. Okay, katakanlah x naught. Okay, saya guna f symbol f naught. Okay, so that means this is a y. Okay, this is a y. Saya guna symbol f. Okay, now I use this as a, it's very slow. After if update this one, this whiteboard become very slow. Aduh, sorry. So this is, you can say this is a y naught lah. That means this is a x naught, this is y naught. Or before this, we learn is x naught, f x naught. Macam ni pun boleh lah. Okay, so let's say we have this point, x naught, f naught, and then f1, x1, f1, and then until xn, fn. Okay. So by using Newton's divided difference methods, we will have to come up a polynomial of degree of n. Okay, so we can generate this, start from this one, fi 0. Okay, fi 0, that means 0 divided difference. 0 here. This one, this means 0 divided difference. So 0 divided difference is this same with the value of y. If let's say here, if let's say I said f2 0 divided difference. Okay, that's mean the value of f2. Y itulah ataupun y2 ataupun fx2. Nilai y apabila x 2. Okay. So this one dia punya for I start with besarnya. For I equal to 0, 1, 2, and until n. Okay, so this is 0 divided difference. Kalau lah saya nak cari after that, dia punya divided difference seterusnya. This is I. Saya, kalau bila dia tebal macam ni, tak jelas. Sekejap. This is until n. Okay, this is I. So it's equal to fi plus 1. Okay, j minus 1. Saya salin dulu, nanti saya terang macam mana how this one. Okay, fi j minus 1 divide by I plus j minus xi. So where j is 1, 2, until n. Okay. So this one, I'll tell you, this is the formula that you have to remember, actually. How to do the divided difference. So this can start, depend on the number of data. Let's say we have 5 data points. So n kita adalah 4. Okay. So that means we have to find, start from the 0 divided difference. Okay. And then we have to do first divided difference, second divided difference, and then fourth divided difference. So based on n. Kalau n 3, maksudnya kita kena buat sampai, one more, 3 first. 3 and then 4. Okay, kalau n is 4, that means we have to do 0 divided difference, 0 degree. Okay, first degree, second degree, third and fourth. Fourth divided difference, 4 kali. Depend on the n, okay? So maksudnya depend on the data lah, berapa data yang that we have. Okay, so let's say, okay, after we find this, dia punya divided difference, this one is divided different lah. Yang ni F. Sorry. After we get this divided difference, and then we have to find the Newton. After get this one, we have to find a Newton interpolatory divided different formula. Okay, so dia akan based on berapa n juga. So here, oops, sorry. So kalaunya, let's say this one, P, depend on berapa n. Okay, degree, x equal to f naught 0 divided difference plus with f naught 1 x minus x naught plus f naught 2 x naught x minus x naught x minus x1. Okay, so tambah lagi, kalau tengok dia macam sebenarnya dia macam ni, f naught degree of n x minus x naught, dia akan sampai x minus x1 x minus x n minus 1. Kalau let's say we have, just now we have 5 data points, that means our n is until 4. Our n is 4. So that means our p and 4 will become f naught 0 plus with f naught 1 x minus x naught plus with f naught second degree of divided difference x minus x naught x minus x1 and plus naught 3 x minus x naught x minus x1. Oh, sorry, low battery. Wait, I charge my battery first. X minus x1 x minus x2, lepas tu tambah lagi f naught 4 degree divided difference x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 and x minus x3 sampai macam ni. Then this is the polynomial. Yang ni lah. So, oops. Okay, so ini yang awak kena ingat lah. Macam mana nak dapatkan polynomial dia. So based on n. Lepas tu kita akan continue. Ini contoh apabila when we have a 5 data point and our n is 4. Ini bukanlah, ini x ya. Sorry, this should be x. So x is the value that we want to find using the interpolations. Okay. So let's try I do explanations how we going to find this divided difference f tu yang first degree, second degree, third degree, fourth degree, and so on. So macam mana kita nak cari? Okay, if you want to know about the title of Newton divided difference is in the page 86 in your books. Okay, so this one is start from page 86. Sekejap, sampai sini ada apa, siapa yang nak tanya? So you just can interrupt if you not understand. Okay, if I'm too fast, so you just let me know. Okay, let's consider we have let's say consider we have 5 data points. Saya bagi contoh 5 data point lah, supaya let's say apabila awak nak buat interpolations using this Newton divided difference, so when you have 3 data points ataupun 4 data points, dia akan kurang sikit lah. This is kiranya banyak lah, yang dah banyak. Let's say we have 5 data point. Okay, let's consider we have 5 data points. So data point kita, katalah we have, now we have x0, f0. Saya letak f So in this Newton divided difference, y, value of y tu saya letak f, okay? And then I have x1, x1, f1, x2, f2, x3, f3, x4, f4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points where the n is 4. Okay. So when we want to solve this one, it's more easier if we can construct in the table the Newton divided difference table. So from here we draw a table. Okay, I draw a table. And then we put the value of I, the value of X, the value of Y. Okay, so nanti saya sambung lah, kemudian dia akan ada lagi lah. So this one, what here, it should be X, this should be I, XI. So this is a FI at 0 divided difference, okay, 0 divided difference. And then FI at first divided difference. And then FI at second divided difference. And then FI at third divided difference. Nanti tak cukup wrong. And then 4. FI at fourth divided difference. Okay, so start with the 0. Okay, so now our n is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sampai ke bawah. Oops. Okay, so the value of x when x, x0, this is x0 lah, right? This is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4. And then this is the value of y. F0, F1, F2, F3, F4. Okay, so for this one is 0. I repeat again, this is the 0 degree divided difference. So this is the first degree. First divided difference. So now, first divided difference, if you look at the formula just now, dia based on, dia akan ada, so we have to take fi plus 1 minus fi. Okay, so divide by xi plus j minus xi. Okay, so kita akan ambil dua. So one is fi plus 1, satu lagi fi. So kalau sini, let's say now, I is 0. So fi plus 1, that means this one, f1. Okay, minus fi, that means this one. Okay, divide by, okay, dia bergantung kepada j. Sekarang j, kalau tengok, j adalah this one, degree. This degree of divided difference. Okay, so sekarang adalah, we have to take this one, I plus j. I plus j. I adalah not. J, the first one. So that means, okay, we will take x1 minus x0. Dia mungkin saya, okay, then I write here. So for the first one, f0, okay, first divided difference, okay, sorry, saya rasa lebih baik, jap. Wait okay, so the first one, we want to do the divided difference for f x0 and x1. Okay, like this one. Okay, this is easier. X0 and x1. So that means we have to consider these two. And then, so it become this one, where the first divided difference f0 first is equal to f1 at 0 divided difference minus f0 at 0 divided difference divide by x1 minus x0. Sampai sini boleh faham tak? Di mana where kalau saya ambil. So this one f1 at 0 divided difference is this one. Okay, and then f0 divided difference, 0 divided difference is this one. Okay, and then x1, okay, x0. Ini x1. This one x1, this one x1. Boleh tak? Maksudnya kita ambil yang nilai y apabila that functions kita gantikan dengan x1. Okay, nilai y yang pertama minus nilai y not tu lah. So f1 minus f0 divide by x1 minus x0. Okay, untuk seterusnya, so we'll consider these two. Okay, so these two, that means f1. Okay, f1. So this one f1, we will sorry, was saya buat macam atas. So we consider x1 and x2. Okay, so f1 is equal to, so ini agak-agaknya apa? Become f what? Semua senyap. F what? Agaknya this is f2, this one. Sekejap, boleh faham tak? Saya akan nilai ambil. Ni adalah this one. Minus F10. F10 adalah yang tadi, this one. This one. This 10. Yang ni. This one. Sebab sekarang, saya nak consider antara X1 dengan X2. Nampak? X1 dengan X2. So, akan nilai ambil ni. These two. So yang ni F2 minus F1 divide by X2 minus X1. Okay, and then continue. Continue, I will consider X2 and X3. Boleh tak? So this one. So I think I have to draw this one. So yang ni tengok dia tak habis. Ke mana? So this one is sampai ke sini tau. Dia antara these two. Sorry. Tak boleh lukis macam ni. Sorry. Cannot write like this. Sebab dia adalah dua antara that one. So there is between that two. So now consider F, X2 and X3. So F2, 1 is become, ini continue. Okay, become F3 naught minus F2 naught divide berapa? So awak tengoklah. X, kita now we consider X2 and X3. So that means X3 minus X2. Okay, and then the last one, this one, these two. So akan jadi, which we consider X3 and X4. Okay, so, and then if you become F3 first become F4 0 minus F3 0 divide by X4 minus X3. Sampai sekarang boleh. This is a first degree of divided difference. Okay. Kemudian saya sapu lah, tak cukup wrong. Saya sapu saja. Sebab I think that there's not enough space. Now we go to the second divided difference, second degree. So apabila second degree, what I have to consider, saya akan consider this one, these two. These two. Okay. So apabila pergi ke sini, okay, these two. Apabila pergi sini, so I will consider start from X0, X1, and then tak keluar. X1, okay, and then X2. So tiga ni. So sekarang saya punya divided difference will become, yang ni F0 2, okay, sama dengan yang tadi kita cari, this one, this value. This value. Saya akan guna F minus dengan F X0 so this one minus this one is actually this value. Selepas dah dapat daripada sini lah, maksudnya. Okay. Apabila kita dah dapat value, that means actually okay, sekejap saya bagi dulu. So sekarang we consider it X0, X1, X2. So become X2 minus X0. So sebenarnya ni adalah nilai yang kita dapat daripada tadi adalah F1 1 minus F0 1 divide by X2 minus X0. Sampai sini boleh faham tak? So can you understand or not?
Doktor repeat balik yang
mana?
Yang F X1, X2 tu. Yang atas. F0 2.
Oh, sebenarnya macam ni. Kalau saya, okay, yang ni, dua ni. Sebenarnya, okay, macam ni. Macam ni pun boleh. Macam ni saja, kalau mungkin macam ni awak boleh faham. Sorry. Tak keluar pula dah. No. F not 2. If this one. Kalau lah saya delete yang ni. Awak boleh faham tak? So, F not 2, this one is the second degree of divided difference, is just now kan yang kita kira tadi. Kita kira. So, kita consider ini. Kira sini kan. Dapat answer ini. Okay, this is the answer. Kita letak dalam ni. Okay. And then this one, we calculate, right? We get the answer. Kita letak sini. Boleh faham tak macam ni?
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay, so actually just now I want to say this is a polynomial based on this one lah. Ini tak perlu. Okay, mungkin macam ni lagi faham. Boleh Okay, so kalau lah, ayo, saya lukis balik. Boleh tak? Nanti awak tengok apa ni, saya lukis balik Sekejap, saya tulis balik. So this one we consider these two. Again we consider these two. That means start from x0, x1, lepas tu x1, x2. That means x0, x1, x2. Okay. So, dia punya divided difference f0 second degree equal to f1, 1 minus f0, 1. Divide by, ini kat sini lah. Kita consider x0 sampai x2 kan. Jadi x2, x2 minus x0. Tak keluar. Boleh. And now, kita akan consider this one and this one. Tak keluar. Kenapa? Slow sikit. So this one is, kita consider x daripada sini x1, x2, ini x2, x3. So that means x1, x2, x3. Kenapa dia hilang This one, x1. Dah hilang. Boleh dah. X1. So, kita punya F seterusnya adalah F1. Selepas saya update dia punya whiteboard ni jadi pening. Tak keluar. Okay. Second degree divided difference, okay, is equal to, so kita akan ambil this one. Kita letak sini, F21 minus, and then kita ambil yang ni pula. This one. F1 divide by, so we consider x3, x1 to x3. So this is x3 minus x1. Boleh. So and then lagi, we have to continue. Yang ini adalah antara yang ni hingga yang ni. So that means we consider from x2, x3, x4. x2, x3, x4. So kita akan ambil value. Kita punya F2 is equal to F3 first divided difference minus F2 divide by x4 minus x2. Awak nampak tu macam dia slow sikit Saya punya tulisan tu keluar. Okay, so this is the second degree. Class okay or not? Okay or not? Second degree, and then I will have to, and then we continue the third degree. That means now saya sambung lagi. So now is I third Fi 3. So which here I will consider these two. So apabila saya consider these two, apa yang saya akan consider? Tengok So I will have consider start from x0, x1, x2, and then this one x1, x2 sampai x3. That means x0 until x3. So ini yang saya consider adalah, saya tulis kat sini sebenarnya supaya kita tak keliru. We won't like forget until wish already that we yang sebab kat bawah ni kan kita kena based on X yang mana yang tadi kita buat dia punya divided difference tu. Okay, so this one start from x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay, so f0 third degree is equal to, kita akan ambil this value. Okay, masuk ke sini. Ke sini this value. So this is f1 2 minus, so and then we have to take this value minus yang sini so that means this is f0 second degree, so divide by x3 minus x0. So daripada mana? Daripada x3 sampai ke x0. Okay. And then now we consider these two. So yang ni adalah f start from x1, x2, and then x3, and then x4. Sampai ke x4. So that means our f1 third degree is equal to f2 second degree minus f1 second degree divide by x4 minus x1. Semua okay tak? Are you okay, class? If you're okay, then you put in the chat 1.
Yes, okay.
Tengok, okay tak? Okay Kalau tak okay, tulis tu. Yes, Chen Hui. Any questions?
No, teacher.
Okay.
No, teacher.
You just wrongly press. Saya nak tanya, 2 orang je ke? Kau ni dengan Chen Hui saja. Okay. How about the rest? Not okay. Tengok, sekejap. Tengah lag. Okay, thank you very much. So semua okay? So we continue. Okay, now the last, because we have 5 data points, so our n is 4. So we have to do until 4th degree divide the difference. So last kali adalah Fi 4th degree kan. So kita akan consider these two. Okay. So kalau these two, that means we have to consider start from x0, x1, x2, x3, and x4. Okay. So kita punya f0 4th is equal to f1 minus f0 3 divide by x4 minus x0. So sampai sini. So kita akan dapatlah macam ni. So kita akan dapat untuk kalau kita ada f0, f1, f2, f3, f4, for the 0 degree of divided difference we have 4, And then the first divided difference, we will have 3. Okay, we have 3. And then the second degree of divided difference, we have 2. Sorry, yeah, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points. So we have like 1, 2, after 5 data points, and then we will reduce to 4 divided difference. And then for the second degree, we have 3. And then we have continue with have 2 divided difference for the third degree. And then fourth degree, we only have 1. So kena sampai fourth degree lah. So and then apabila kita dapat semua ni, after we solve this one, we will have to consider this value actually. Apa yang kita nak sebenarnya adalah this value only. Start from F0 here. And then saya nak F0 first degree, F0 second degree, F0 third degree, F0 fourth degree. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these the 5 values that we will have to put in the Newton's divided, we call it Newton, apa dah tadi? Newton's interpolatory divided difference polynomial. After we get all these ones, we have to write. Jadi saya tak tutup tak apa, ini tak tutup. So and then we have to construct this one just now. Yang ni, this one. This one. Okay. So daripada data point yang tadi kita ada 5. So now we have to write this polynomial. So this is a P4. Ayo, it's detect very slow already. P4 x equal to, so kita start dengan F0 0 degree, and then plus with F0 first degree. Okay, this value. Okay, and this one kita kena ambil x minus x0. Darab dengan x minus x0, and then plus with the F0 second degree. That means this value. Okay, x minus x0, x minus x1. And then tambah lagi F0 third divided difference time with x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. Tambah, saya tulis kat bawah lah. Tamot. So then F0 for x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. Macam ni. So if let's say this one, we have 5 data points. So our polynomials become like this. Our Newton interpolatory divided difference polynomial. So okay. Boleh hadam ah? How? Okay. So can we go to the example?
Boleh, Doktor.
Yes. Okay, so we go to the example, okay? So I go to the example. Let's look at the example. If you have a book with you, so you can turn to page 91, example 4.8. Example 4.8. Okay, this one. This one is page 91, okay? So table 4.7. Okay, based on the table data above, find the Newton's interpolatory divided difference polynomial and approximate the value of f when x is equal to 2.5. and then find f2.5 if f2.0 is equal to 0.510 is added into the data given in A. So sekarang, now if look at this one, basically, okay, kita start dengan A. So that means A here, we have to find the value of y. That means fx when our x is 2.5. Maksudnya kat sini lah, right? 2.5, and we want to find what is the value here. So, A, based on A, we have 3 data points. Kalau based on A, okay, so we solve solutions based on A. Okay, A, we have 1, 2, 3 data points. So that means our n is 2, okay? So, first and foremost, we just do the divided difference first. So, kita kena perlu buat divided difference dulu. Construct the divided difference table. So, apa dalam table? Just now, okay, we have I, X, F, 0 degree. So, because this one is N, N equal to 2. So, kita akan ada another, this one is F first degree and then second degree. So, I, XI, now is FI 0 degree, FI first degree, and then FI second degree. So second degree based on N based on N. So kita ada data point yang diberi adalah, okay, so we assume, so this one become X0, this one become X1, this become X2. Okay, so this is Y ataupun F. F0, F1, F1, F2. Okay, so untuk degree 0 degree, so dia punya, so masukkan dalam ni, start dengan 0, X0 adalah 2.1, and then F0 adalah 0.521. Okay, boleh? And then we have 1. X1 is 2.4. F1 is 0.510. Okay, and then X2 is 2.6. And then F2 is 0.381. So macam ni dulu. So start with the first degree of divided difference. So we have to consider these two. So when consider these two, maksudnya kita akan ambil nilai, this one lah, kita akan ambil nilai 0.510 minus 0.521 divide by 2.4 minus 2.1. Boleh tak? So maksudnya, we will take this one. Okay. F1 at 0 divided difference. Okay. Minus F0. Okay. At 0 divided difference lah yang ni. Okay. So X1, that's mean here, minus X0. Okay. Now, calculate. What do you get? Dapat? Zafri dapat apa Zafri? Zafri. Zafri, are you here, Zafri? So, now, siapa tolong jawab?
0.0367.
Okay, let's try. 51 minus 0.521 divided by 2.4 minus 2.1. So we get 0.0367. Okay. 0.03. Negative ah? Tak.
Ada negatif.
Oh, okay. Negative. Sorry. Negative 0.0367. Okay. So after that, we have to consider these two. Okay. So ini, that means this one 0.381 minus 0.510 divide by apa? This one x2. 2.6 minus 2.4. So become 0.381 minus 0.51 divided by 2.6 minus 2.4. So become negative 0.645. Negative 0.645. So dah habis lah. So kalau 3 data points, okay, dah. So untuk first degree, dah, done. So we go to the second degree. So that means we have to consider these two. So kita akan ambil nilai negative 0.645 minus 0.0367 divide by 2.6 minus 2.1. So basically kalau tengok yang ni, this one, yang ni value, this value is this value yang kita dapat tadi. Minus dengan this value is yang ni yang kita dapat. Okay, so 2.1 kat sini adalah this value. And then 2.6 is this here. Okay, so we get negative 0.6455 plus 0.0367, 2.6 minus 2.1. Okay, macam ni lah. Negative 1.2166. Negative 1.2166. Okay, so now after we do this divided difference, get ready this divided difference, and then we do the polynomial. Then step 2, construct Newton interpolatory divided difference polynomial. So that means here P2. Okay, sebab n is 2 now. X equal to f0 0 plus with f0 degree of 1 x minus x0 plus f0 second degree x minus x0 x minus x1. So this is a formula. Okay, so ganti masuk f0 at 0 degree. That means the value of y0 lah. So that means 0.521. Ini. Okay, and then plus with this value. Negative 0.0367. Okay, x minus x0 is 2.1. Okay, plus with f0 second degree. That means this value. Saya tak tulis tadi. Mungkin awak pening So here, sorry Here I should put it, this is a F0 0 degree. This is a F0 first degree. F1 first degree. F0 second degree. Macam ni. So this is a F1 0 degree. F2 0 degree. So now tambah dengan negative 1.2166 times with x minus x0 is 2.1, x minus x1, x minus 2.4. Okay, this is the formula. This is a polynomial. So kita ganti masukkan. Just now the question is asking you when x is 2.5, right? 2.5x. So ganti masuk x tu dengan 2.5. That means P2 2.5 equal to 0.521 minus 0.0367. This is 2.5 minus 2.1 minus 1.2166. 2.5 minus 2.1. 2.5 minus 2.4. Okay. So yang ini dapat, kalau ini 2.5 minus 2.4, 0.4. So this one 0.4, this one 0.1. Right. So calculator, tekan calculator, 0.54 point. This one minus 0.0367 times with 0.4 minus 1.2166 times with 0.4 times with 0.1. So dapat 0.4577. 4577. 0.4577. So this is the value at this point. So here, that in here is 0.4177. Okay. Semua okay? Boleh? A. And now we do B. Okay? So now for B, we have to add one more data points. So B, find F 2.5. If F 2.0 is equal to 0.510 is add into the data point. So maksudnya kalau sebelum ni, good, dia masuk, okay. So we have a new data point. We have 4 data points. Now become 4 data points. X, fx. So start with the 2. 2, the value is 0.510. Okay, and then 2.1, 0.521, 2.4, 0.510, 2.6, 0.381. Okay, ini ada baru. B. Tak keluar pula. Okay, now we have to do the divided difference. Construct divided difference table. So start from I, xi, fi 0. So kita akan ada fi 1. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 data point. So that means n equal to 3. Sampai 3. So nantilah saya anjak sekali. So that means nanti akan ada sampai 3 lah. Akan ada Fi 2 masuk Fi 3. Okay. Oops. Okay. Start from 0. 0 x naught is 2.0. F naught is 0.510. And then x1 is 2.1, 0.521. 2 is 2.4, 0.510. And then 3 is 2.6, 0.381. So kita akan consider, start dengan this one. These two. And so these two, that means 0.521 minus 0.510 divide by 2.1 minus 2.0. So kita dapat 0.2521 minus 0.51 divided by 2.1 minus 2. So we get 0.11. Okay, and then continue. Consider these two. Okay. Oh, saya tulis yang ni, this is a terlupa. F0, F1, F2, F3. So this is F0. Tak keluar. Yeah. F0, first divide the difference. And then this one is F1, first divide the difference. So this one is 0.510 minus 0.521 divided by 2.4 minus 2.1. So kita akan dapat 0.51 minus 0.521 divided by 2.4 minus 2.1. So you get negative 0.0367. 0.0367. Okay, and then continue with these two. So this is a F2 first divide the difference. So sama dengan 0.381. Yang ni this value minus this value divide by 2.6 minus 2.4. So if I'm too fast, let me know. So far okay. Dah tidur. Ada yang dah tidur. 0.6 minus 2.4. So become negative 0.645. Semua dah lapar ke? Lunch. So now we continue with the first divided difference. Okay. Continue with this one. Consider these two. This is the F0 second degree divided difference. So we will take this value. Okay. 0.0367 minus. Okay, this one is this value. And we take this value and put in here. 0.11 divide by, oh, sekejap. So divide by berapa? So just now kalau tengok this one we consider this one daripada sini 2.4. Nampak So just take this 2.4 minus kat sini 2.0.
Doctor,
Yes.
the value of 0.0367 should be negative.
Oh, this one should be negative. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So this one negative. This one is negative. So this one become negative 0.0367 minus 0.11 divided by 2.4 minus 2. So get negative 0.3668. Alamak. Negative 0.3668. Is it like this? Correct or not? Same with you? And this one is between these two. So this is F1 second degree divided difference. So the value will take this value negative 0.645 minus the green color value. Oh, 367 divided by, so this one is from x is 2.6 minus, so we look at here, this is 2.1. So become minus 0.645 minus 0.0367 divided by 2.6 minus.
Doctor,
Yes, yes.
sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
The 0.0367, you miss out another time the negative. I think got another negative.
Oh, this one also got negative.
Yeah.
This one, oh, sorry. Which
Is
one?
it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, is it?
Betul. That's right. So become this one
Okay.
become positive because
Yeah,
negative.
positive.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So now
welcome.
become, wait. So this one become plus. Okay. So the answer is negative 1.2166. Negative 1.2166. Negative. Okay. So now the last divided difference, third degree, take these two. Consider from x not until 3. So this one is negative 1.2166 minus 0.366x divided by 2.6 minus 2.0. So again, this one, negative 1.2166 plus 0.3668, 0.6. So negative 1.4163. Negative 1.4163. Okay. So step 2, we construct the step 2. Step 2, we construct Newton interpolatory divided difference polynomial. So this one is P3, right? So P3 now X is 2.5. So ganti masuk terus pun tak apa. Nanti ganti masuk. So we need to have this one plus with this one, X minus X naught, okay, plus F naught first degree, X minus X naught x minus x1, and then plus with f naught second degree, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2. So ganti masuk terus the value of this one. So we have this f naught at 0 degree, lepas tu f naught at first degree, f naught at second degree, and f naught at third degree. That means value yang answer ni lah. So here ganti 0.510 plus with 0.11, 2.5 minus x naught is 2.0 plus with negative 0.3668, 2.5 minus 2.0, 2.5 minus x1 is 2.1, and then plus with negative 1.4163, 2.5 minus 2.0, 2.5 minus 2.1, 2.5 minus 2.4. So jadi macam ni. Okay. So this one is 0.5, this one 0.5, this one 0.4, and then this one 0.1, 0.4, 0.5. So masukkan calculator. 0.51 plus 0.11 times with 0.5 minus 0.3668 times with 0.5 times with 0.4 minus 1.4163 times with 0.5 times with 0.4 times with 0.1. So get the answer is 0.4633. So okay. So far, any questions? So okay or not, class?
So far, okay.
Okay.
So far, okay. Wait, I stop. Stop recording.